Alright, hey, what's going on, buddy? My name is Tomato, and welcome back to a brand new video on the guest situation. Which, guys, as you can see on my profile, my character has been worse, guys. He has been worse all the time. Hi, guys, sub to my channel, please. Guys, I'm so scared because I don't know what to do. But, so, last episode, we had this situation with the GreenGuest. And let's go on a remind. So, let's go back around. So, I said to him, he said hello, that he meant hello. Then I said to him, "Are you real?" He said, "Yes." "What? But guesses are out of Roblox, but not me." "Okay. What do you, oh, how did he understand? "What do you want from me?" "Nothing." "Are you sure?" "Yes." "Then, why are you my friend?" "I don't remember friend requesting you." "I hacked you." "You are not real." "Oh, really?" "Yes." "I can join you." "Okay." And then he said, "See." And then, "Why are you doing this? Are you going to hack me?" "Yes." "Okay. So when you hack me, when you are going to give my account back? Tell me now." And he said, "If you get." And then he said, "You know what? Go to my profile." And that's what I'm gonna do right now. Before we go to his profile, I want you to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to all notifications and when daily videos upload just like this one. So, alright, let's go! It's loading. Okay, I don't see anything different. He has only one friend, me, and his collection is only this. Dude, what's this? What is this? If you get 50 subscribers at the first day of March, I will give you back your account. No way. No, yes! Guys, there is a way to get my account back. So guys, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when videos get uploaded just like this, because YouTube is broken. And yeah, guys, the first day of March. Wait, March? Do we have February right now? Oh my god, happy Valentine's Day! Yeah. Okay, so today is 14th February, the first day of, oh my gosh, that's 28. Is my mom sick? Okay, we need to wait 14 more days? What? I cannot hold this, dude. Guys, I cannot hold this. This guy is super annoying. Yo, GreenGuest _ V2 back. I'm gonna flip your face, dude. Okay, I want to see if he's gonna be online, because look, he's not online. Yes, he's not online. Is he friends and following? No. He has nothing. Okay, let's go to my settings. Let's go to settings. Right here. Now, let's be scared of GreenGuest. Guys, I didn't roll that. Guys, I'm so done right now. Dude, there's no flipping way, dude. No. Oh my gosh, guys. Anyways, what I was gonna say is that I want to try and go back to my own place. Now let's search right here. GreenMana _YT. Let's search that. And it should be one or a lot. There it is. Guys, I'm going to regret this. And go in. Let's see if he joins. So, let's hop into the game. Gonna bring you guys back when it's loaded. Alright guys, I'm joined. And no one has been here yet. Okay. Take a flashlight. And let's go on it. Wait. What's this? They're now playing your very first creation. Look around and try to find all 7 hidden items. Enter this game or create more with Roblox Studio. Download. Develop. Okay, I'll start that after this video. And yeah guys, as you can see, I am green as I told you. And this is actually really bad because I'm green. If I turn it into a full GreenGuest, he's gonna hack my account and I don't even know guys. This is insane. Correct. I just wrote that right, didn't I? What is this? What is this? What is this? Try using the move tool. I don't have a move tool. Can I? Wait, do I have some sick admin commands? Do I have admin commands right here? No, I don't. Dang it. Wait, let's try. Invisibility. Will I become invisible? Nope. I will not become invisible. I will not become invisible. Try using the scroll tool. Okay, these are. Okay, if he joins my game, I'm done with this guy. Because if he flipping joins my game, I'm gonna like yeet hide. Okay, try using the air rod tool in studio to go. Guys, we just joined the game. No. Oh man, I need to hide. Bye. I need to flip and hide, guys. Guys, I need to hide. What is that? Another house? Okay, let's hide in it. Let's hide. Hide. Come on. Okay. A minute. Now, let's close this door so he doesn't know. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stay right here and hopefully he doesn't come. Okay. He says something in the chat. I'm gonna be so done with it. Guys, this is actually so scary. Guys. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. So spooky. I'm done. This is actually the real spooky, guys. What? He actually talked. Somewhere, you are never gonna find me, dude. I bet you $1,000 you are never going to find me. Okay, dude. Don't even think about it, because you're never gonna find me. You know that, right? What happened? Did I just broke something? I thought it did. Okay. Let's see if he types anything. Did you go to the mountain? No. No. Don't follow that mountain, or I'm just gonna like flip out of the game if he finds me, and I don't realize it. I'm gonna flip out, because if he finds out where I am, I'm dead, dude. Okay, I know where you are. I'm gonna ask him. Where? Where? If he says, in the house, I'm gonna be so annoyed because he knows it. What house? Because, guys, comment in the comment section below how I can take down the GreenGuest. Guys. Oh, he's coming. Oh, red. Ah! Guys, I'm cornered. I'm cornered. Guys, I'm cornered. Guys. Guys. I'm genuinely so scared. Guys, I don't know what the flip should I do. Guys, no! Whoa! Wait, what? Wait. Sign on for a free account or login. Play games and stuff. Guys, login. Primero _ YT, then my password. Guys, wait. Go. I just lost my flipping account. You serious? Serious. Guys, I lost my account. Okay guys, I'm gonna try log in to my oldest account I've ever made. Yes! Oh yes, boy! Yes, boy! Honestly, guys, I am so happy that he didn't even hack this account. Because if he even... The Roblox, okay? Yeah, 0 Roblox. Woo! Okay, guys, I just lost my most best account. Bye for now. Guys, if he just put me out of it, did that mean that? No. I must not be GreenGuest. If I'm GreenGuest, I'm gonna fall off my chair. I don't even know what I'm gonna do because guys, I just lost my best account I had. Bye. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Please. I didn't even got it. Please. No. Do I have the GreenGuest go as a friend? See all. What am I gonna do? So this guy's online. I know it's true. I don't know. This is on my tablet. That's this one. I don't have him. He's in my account. comment in the comments. Bye guys, I'll see you in another video.